Start doing some curls. Ugh. Get ready for summer for the babes. What's up, guys? Got home around 2:30. Found this outside my condo apartment, or whatever you want to call it. What's up, guys? Just got home around 2:30. Found this outside my apartment. I ordered myself an HKS exhaust for my EVO 2011 Wicked White EVO. I cannot wait to get this thing installed. My car is way too quiet and I need an exhaust. I purchased this last weekend, Saturday, when I saw my friend who owns a Speed 3. I think it's a 2010, I could be wrong. But he has a Speed 3 and he has an HKS on his, and I decided to pull the trigger and buy myself an exhaust that day. So this is what I got. I got it from MAPerformance, so I appreciate MAPerformance coming through. Quick turnaround as in delivery. Just got it today. I'm stoked. I'm so happy. I cannot wait to install this thing. It's gonna look so good. It's gonna sound so good. Next, I gotta figure out what kind of downpipe I want to go with. Either an open dump or a recirculating one. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. And then the turbo manifold. I gotta look into that. Those are expensive as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll open this puppy up. This thing's as tall as me. Taller. I hate being short. I'm only 5'3". This thing's not that bad. It's not that heavy. So I got my trusty scissors. My friend, she has to come over and finish painting the apartment. It's been like 2 years. But, yeah. Gigantic fart cannons now. I could be as cool as the Subi kids and the Honda boys, or Honda fuck boys, or whatever you want to call them. I can start shooting flames out of it, at the tail end, at the back end. Hopefully I get some kind of scene points or cred. I mean, it's not a Tomei exhaust, you know. Hopefully HKS, I could get some points, some scene points. Wow. Nice and soft, with pillows. I'm watching NFL Live. I'm a big Patriots fan, so I'm wondering where Tom Brady's going to go. Hopefully he doesn't go too far. Hopefully he sticks with the Patriots. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's going to go underneath the car anyway, so what do I care? Oh. Yeah, looks like somebody dinged it and scratched it right. Scratched it very well, very good. But like I said, the welds are good. Everything, it's gonna go underneath the car anyway, so it's nice. Got some weight to it. Put this off to the side. That's how tall it is. And these are my fart cannons. Oh, it also comes with hardware too, which is good. Oh, I got a sticker. Nice. Adding what, 2 HP to my car? Adding a sticker. Get my work clothes on my chair. I'm happy they give you tools. Well, not tools, but they give you the hardware and stuff like that. Excuse me for videotaping my feet. I don't wear socks around the house. I barely wear a shirt. Stick that off to the side. This is what the cannons look like. I didn't want to get them dirty. Fingerprint. Oh wow, look at some weight to this. Look at some weight to these. Oh. Look at this. This thing's like a weapon from Scarface that Tony Montana used at the end of the movie when he says, "Say hello to my little friend." This is nice. They are heavy though. I should say this is heavy. This is awesome. I cannot wait. It's gonna sound so mint. There's one of them. There's the other one. What is that? Another scratch. Yeah, they're going underneath the car, like I said. Start doing some curls. Ugh. Get ready for summer, for the babes. Alright, I'll put this down, I'll put this away. Can't wait for the install video to show up. Well, can't wait for the install video that I'm going to do. That's it.